Hello everyone, do you remember this long ball I made before? If you don't, you can check my old tutorial. And on this video, I will reuse this ball to make a frame backdrop. Okay, very simple. Just arrange the ball and make the frame. We will make it from the back side. So turn the ball around. Let's make it from the back side. Okay, this is the frame we arrange the ball to make. And then use the tape and stick them together. If you want it to be sturdy and firmly, you can use the hot glue direct stick on the ball to make it firmly. Okay, complete it with the frame. Okay, then let's turn it around. Okay, and then I will make some hole on the ball because I will tie it onto a stand to make it safer. And then put on some string. Use the string. Okay, complete it with the frame. Look, I tied a lot of string on the frame. Okay, so the frame was tied with the string. And now, let's turn it around and tie on the stand. And now, remember the string we tie on the stand. And also, put the stick on the stand to stick the ball and the stand. We don't have to stick it very sturdy because we need to adjust the size of stand after we raise up the stand. Okay, we stand up the frame. Look, tie with the string and also stick with some tape. The string and tape, so it will be very sturdy. Okay, we put down the frame and then let's decorate it. First of all, let's make some paper flowers. Okay, now let's take one flowers. Use some hot glue, a lot of hot glue, and then stick on the frame. Okay, complete it with one angle, and then let's make the other angle. Look, this is the effect after I put on the flower, and then go on. And the following, I will use this tape to decorate the frame. I have this pattern and this pattern. Let's pick some to decorate the frame. Okay. Look, since this pattern is larger than our frame, so we need to cut the foam to extend the frame. Actually, we should stick the pattern before we tie the frame onto the backdrop. That will be much more easier because we can direct cut on the floor. Okay, we cut it and then let's stick on the extension place. After that, we need to put a tape on the back side to make it firmly. Okay, completed. Let's stand up the stand and check the effect. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. And for your information, we supply almost all the material used on the video. Includes the paper flower, the stick if you like it. Look. If you are interested to order, look, the bottom of the frame, so beautiful. Let's check it. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.